Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your carrier allows voicemail deletion. Some settings are carrier side. Once done, unlock the iPhone and open the phone app, then tap voicemail at the bottom. You should see a list of messages. Make sure to play one briefly to verify access. If you plan to keep a message, use Share or Save to Files now because deletion can be permanent. Remember, backing up first avoids data loss, and Wi-Fi or cellular helps sync deletions to your carrier. You now remove the voicemails. Swipe left on an individual message and tap Delete to remove it immediately. Once you've deleted several, tap Edit in the top corner, pick multiple messages, and use Delete to clear them in bulk. After deleting, scroll to the bottom and open deleted messages. You must tap Clear All or individually remove entries to free carrier storage. Make sure to check that the list is empty. Otherwise, the messages remain recoverable until finish by restarting your iPhone to force voicemail and carrier sync. This often resolves count discrepancies. If deleted messages reappear, sign out of iCloud Voice or contact your carrier. Some carriers store messages server-side and need a remote clear. If voicemail still shows, try Reset Network Settings as a last resort because that rebuilds connections but won't delete personal data. If problems persist, call your carrier's support and ask them to purge the mailbox on their end. Then verify on your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.